Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we will be covering how to use promo material. Promos can be beneficial not only to generate more sales, but also to increase customer engagement and loyalty. It's important that you know how to use them effectively to get the most benefit out of them. So let's dive right in, shall we? First, let's cover how to turn on promos from your partner area. So starting from your dashboard, you go into your shop here. Then on the shop settings on the left side, you can see prices and promos. We click into there and then here it says promo campaigns, which will open this page. Here it will show you all of the current available campaigns for you to use. Using the slider button on the left here, you can activate all promo campaigns, and using the individual buttons next to the campaigns, you can also turn on and off individual promos. By clicking on the dates to the right here, you can also select the dates you want the promo to run for. And you can see that the dates for different promos cannot overlap and run at the same time, which is automatically set in the system. Then you can go ahead and click Save on the top left here to save these promo campaigns. Now, if you go back to your shop settings and select Marketing, right under Price and Promos, and select Social Media Sharing, then click Promo Campaigns, you can start creating a social media post to share your promo with your followers. First, select the promo campaign you want to share by clicking under your text here. You can also choose your favourite font for the heading from the drop-down menu. And there's also an option to add custom text to your post. You have the option to change the text colour as well, to whichever colour matches your shop. There is also the option to add your logo if you have one, as well as your shop name, or you can leave it all out. It's totally up to you. Now you can select your background for the post and click Continue, and it will show you the final post in all the different sizes for different social media platforms and different post types, like story posts or feed posts. You will be able to download all versions in one go or individually download them to upload to your social media channels. We also have a library of free templates you can choose from on our blog, which we create in-house and is continuously being updated. For example, let's download these March templates. You can see all the different sizes are included as well, and you can add your own text or logo to it. Then we can go ahead and upload this directly to our Instagram and other socials. Of course, there are many different factors to consider when running promos for your shop. If you want to learn more about the importance of promo campaigns, be sure to check out our Ultimate Promo Guide blog post, where we also go into more detail about how to plan and analyse a successful promo campaign. So, to briefly recap, in this video tutorial we've covered how to set your promos for your Spreadshop and how to make use of the provided promo material. Remember to plan your campaigns and your main goals to ensure you're getting the most benefit out of the promos, and make use of the free templates to help spread awareness of your promo campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any other questions or topics you'd like us to cover, and share this with others who would find this useful too. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.